All right, how's it going, guys? Super duper Curtis here with another video. Don't mind my busted lip. I got some more projects going on here. Finally had time to touch my cars, but I also boosted my G37. I don't even know if I showed this car on the channel, but if you guys want to see more of that or see some of that stuff, just let me know, because I'm gonna be doing a few things here and there. But yeah, let's get started to the video. All right, so I ended up ordering an AMS expansion tank. You can see, pretty simple install, honestly. It's gonna be very easy. I already took my old one off because I tried some stuff earlier with a different expansion tank. It didn't work out. But anyways, so basically you're just gonna take the bottom hose off of this side for your car coolant, and then you're gonna disconnect these 10 mils right here as well on both sides, and the bottom hose attaching to that. It's a very simple install. I just wanted to show you guys, just to show you guys I'm still doing things to the car, just haven't had that much time. I definitely need a new lip because this thing is done for. And what else do I have for this car? I think that's about it. Oh, I do have more things coming. I am gonna install an LSD diff next, so stay tuned for that, and I'm gonna show you guys which one I went with. It's the most budget friendly one, so I guess I'll just show you guys when I get that. But let's keep going with the video. All right, so as you can see, I also take this 10 mil bracket, so it's just two 10 mils. You're gonna reuse those bolts, and you're gonna connect it to right here, and you can see, very simple install. Bigger hose goes to the smaller side, which is this side, the one on the left, and the other hose goes over here, right there. But I'm gonna bolt it all up, and then this is such a little amount of fluid, so I would suggest, as long as you guys just top it back off with blue coolant, blue Nissan coolant. Don't use the cheap stuff, please. But yeah, never use green, only blue. But yeah, it should be pretty much it. Let me wrap it all up and show you. All right, so I got it all back on. There it is. Radiator caps all on. I filled them up, not all the way to the top, but pretty close. You are gonna drop some coolant, obviously, and you shouldn't need a bleed because it's not that much that you drop. So yeah, that's all it is. It looks really good, honestly. It fits perfect. Honestly, they did a really good job. Because I've seen another one come out. It looks very similar, but it's a little more work. But honestly, this is definitely worth it, and it's really good material, obviously. But yeah, I mean, I had to get rid of my stock one because it kept, this was my second OEM one, because I had another extra, and they ended up cracking in the middle like they always do. So I just ended up just biting the bullet this time and just getting this. But yeah, gonna do LSD next. What else? I want to do a carbon drive shaft, but it's just so expensive. So I'm gonna try to save up some more bread. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Try to give me some more money. So that way I can do more mods to this car. Cause dang, it just be expensive. I need to get this channel up to like 100K or something, so I can start paying for this. This is all coming out of my pocket right now, hurting me. But all right, without further ado, peace.